Hello everyone, in this first tutorial we are making a simple logo. This logo is for a chicken restaurant. I came up with this design. But first I'll show you what windows you'll need. You obviously need color. Then we'll also use gradient for this project. Also take stroke, cause why not? At last, two standard windows, layers, and characters for the text. Let's start. First select the layers window. Make a new layer. Make sure it is under the other layer. Then open your sketch or the sketch in the description, by pressing File then Place and selecting your file. Then lock the layer with the sketch. Click on the upper layer, we will work in here. Then take the pen tool, we will mainly use this to make the logo. Start at a point of choice and make an outline of the flame. Click, release, and then click on the second point. Before releasing, move the line so it fits with the sketch. To make a new straight line, hold Ctrl then click next to the illustration. Now release Ctrl and click on the previous point. You are now able to continue. Before we go further, take the selection tool and click on the logo. Now take a nicer color and change the opacity to 50%. Also change the stroke to something bigger. Perfect. Now take the pen tool again. I will fast forward this segment. Don't forget to use Alt Zoom and Control Zoom to work more precisely. Okay, the flame is ready. Now give it a gradient using the gradient window. Make sure you choose RGB. Also change the angle to 90%. By opening the layers window and unselecting the little eye, you can see the flame clearly. Congratulations, you achieved the second step, the beak of the rooster. Take the pen tool again and start drawing around it. Again, hold Ctrl and press next to the illustration to get a new straight line. Oopsie doopsie, I selected the wrong layer. No problem, select the upper layer, then select the beak and right click on it. Select Arrange and press Send to Back. Perfect, now we can continue. First decrease the opacity. Send to back and change color to black, using grayscale. Now make an oval as nose, so the poor animal can breathe. Nice, we are already halfway. Select the pen tool again and start drawing. I think you got the hang of it, so I will sleep for a moment. Enjoy the music. ZZZZ. Oh, I am back from my little nap. I hope you made some progress. Let's continue with the things that look like a scrotum. Ew, so ugly. Let's fix that with the curvature tool. I use this tool a lot. Now make the second scrotum. When they are both ready, change the color to something you like. At last, make the neck. For the color I choose black for it, but you could also go for something orange or gold. Great. You are awesome, because you achieved nothing, you didn't even save once, you bastard. Just press Ctrl S. Now you are finished. If you hear this, it means you liked it. Please leave a like.